This is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from China. This is Yidao sour spicy noodle. I don't know who this fella is. If you do, comments below. And they had a contest. I got a ticket. I scratched it off. It told me to go to the WeChat, but it wouldn't let me do it. So, oh well. So maybe I have a free iPhone or iWatch or Galaxy wristwatch somewhere in China with my name on it. Alas. Oh well. Alrighty then. I need a scissoring device. Hey, this is like one of the first times I've seen this. So here's the noodle block. It's got logo on the noodle block in the wrapping for it, which is I've never seen that before, so that's kind of cool. I've mentioned before, these are kind of messy. Yes, you usually steep it in the piece fell on the floor. I'll find out. And there's some. It's funny though. This one says these are peanuts. This one says wah 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 wah. I am gonna need a pair of scissors. This one says wah 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 wah. We got a bunch more too. Ah, it looks weird outside, folks. This one says fen fen fen. So it's like the romanization of what's inside and then said 3 times or more. This one says jang 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 jang. This may be black vinegar. That was my guess. I could be wrong though. We'll find out in a moment. No, that's kind of thick. Interesting. That's too thick to be black vinegar. So I play Pokemon Go. I know. And I've got a little hockey puck looking thing that makes it so I can have it catching Pokemon while I'm out walking. So I don't have to like stop over and over. This one says kai 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 kai. Obviously vegetables. I'll bet you this is just tofu skin, right? Yeah. Oh no, that's veg. This one says la 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 la. So that's kind of like, I'm guessing mala. It's got a picture of a pepper on it. So this is the spicy element. And so this must be it. This one says coo 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 coo. I like this. It's fun. Coo 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 coo. All right. Then it says 4 to 6 minutes. We're gonna do. That's the black vinegar right there. Okay, so we're gonna do 5 minutes. And there's that. Do a little stir. Oh, by the way, for those of you who find it absolutely wonderful, it does come with an included fork. I will show that after I get this a little situated. This looks like bean thread or sweet potato thread. I don't know. I was talking to my cute lady the other day, like, you know what? I should get a new pot. I've been using this pot for years and years. Probably, I may have had this pot for like 20 years. I don't know. Here's the included fork. Let's see if it's straight or has a, ooh, curvy fork. Look at that. You can grip that thing. But yeah, I found this stuff, this particular noodle over at 99 Ranch Market in Edmonds, Washington. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to like this. I'm getting a really strong scent of Szechuan pepper. And I'm okay with Szechuan pepper. I like it. But a lot of the time, the sheer amount of Szechuan pepper, it just turns it into this kind of messy, too much kind of situation. I'm hoping that with how much this thing cost and that there was a contest, that it's really good. We will see. Honestly, I'm kind of second guessing my choice of bowl to use. So what I did is I went the other day and I got tons and tons and tons of music. Not all of it was very good, kind of like this, but I got it for different days. And I didn't have any rhyme or reason of what music I got, but mostly of just to make sure that if I'm doing reviews on Thursdays, those 3 reviews that I do that day are going to be with music that wasn't from the last set. So I think I downloaded like 300 or 400 tracks for, in all, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I think I did like, no, maybe not that many, but like 40, 45 per day of the week. So it will mix it up. And I don't think anything that I got was stuff that was previously in the mix. So anyways, but these come from Epidemic Sound. I think it's epidemicsound.com or epidemic.com. It's a music library. I'm on a partnership with, I don't know, they change their name every once in a while. But I'm in a partnership on YouTube, and the perks I get out of it is access to library music like this. Some of it's really good. There's a chick on there called Sarah the Instrumentalist, or I can't remember, sorry. But her stuff's really good. There's some like really dark trip hop and other stuff that's really good. Some funk that's really good. Some really weird synth wave 80s stuff that sounds like video game music. It's really nice stuff. And oh yeah, what do they call it? Future Joust. But regardless, it's nice. And the other thing I get is video blocks, which are basically, it's like a big collection of stock video footage, which is really useful. I used to use that a lot more doing my top 10 lists as background. So say I was doing top 10 China, I would like type in China and I'd find all these different like street scenes, scenic stuff, all sorts of stuff from China. Nowadays I basically do everything with AI, and I generate stuff and I stretch it out and make that be my background. That's what I prefer to do. It's more hands-on, I have more control over it, and yeah. But yeah, so that's enough of that. But a lot of these I only listen to like 5 seconds of it. I'm like, that sounds good. Download. That sounds good. Download. Download. This is my mobile emitter. This I carry with me everywhere I go when I'm outside. I've got this, and I've got a speaker. But I also use it with the Bluetooth speaker here. This is my cheesy little one. And this is what I use for the show. So when you hear music on the show, it's coming out of this. And I've got 2 others. I've got a medium-sized one that I've been carrying around with me lately, and then I've got the big Hurricane one But I don't really have any way to use that right now. I have to look and see if I've got an extra thing to put on my waist pack. Yeah, I'm one of those guys. Hey, I'm almost 50. I'm wearing a fanny pack, but it's got tunes in it. Come on. Don't judge. But here is what we got. Give it a final stir. A lot of sachets in this. And some people think the more sachets, the better. With these, it's hit and miss. Sometimes it's really nice. Sometimes it really doesn't make any difference. The product is just too much of this or that. But we will... Yeah, this isn't a rice noodle, I don't think. Second time in as many weeks that I've done translation on stuff, and it says it's a rice noodle from like a seller. But when I try it, that is not a rice noodle. As you can see from see how glassy it looks? This is sweet potato thread, but it's actually decent. I don't know, maybe it's sweet potato thread with a little bit of rice in it. I don't know. Where's the... Okay, there's some vegetable. So we'll look at the oily factor. It's oily, that's for sure. You know what I'm going to say? I'm eating my words right now because this one is really good. It's got a nice tanginess to it I wasn't expecting. It does have a strong Szechuan pepper flavor, but it isn't overbearing, and I think that bowl is just too freaking deep and is not going to work. I'm going with a different bowl, folks. Now, I think I want to use that bowl up on the tall shelf. Either that or I'll use... Oh, that one's too deep. That one... Yeah. This one's good. I want it to look nice. There we are. Nope. Yep. This is kind of weird, dark music. We'll just go with that. Yeah, I gotta say, I do like this quite a bit. Now, I wasn't expecting to, but it is really good. We're gonna add some onion, scallion. There we are. There we are. Yeah. Sesame seed. I'm gonna skip it. I think the scallion's just fine. I kind of want to add more of the love sludge. I think I'm gonna. This is curry. It's chili crisp, and it's really freaking good. I'm like all over this stuff. Just need the magic spoon. Isn't there a product called Magic Spoon? There's so much wonderful stuff in this, man. Wow. Wow. That's savory and delicious. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I feel like Gordon Ramsay. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, that's right. I haven't done any Yeah, I'll just leave it at that for now. And you will enjoy the rotation. Alright, that's it for me today. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.